Hi everyone, this is Viru and now I'm going to show you a quick demo of distributed parallel execution of Google Hangout on two virtual machines to generate load on Google Hangout server. Here is the Windows batch file that will start the execution of distributed framework developed by PrimeSoft, which is currently running on top of AutoCAD Test Complete. So let me double click on this Windows batch file so that it will start the distributed execution. So you can see it has started the execution, and I have two virtual machines kept open so that we can see the uh, flow of the execution on both the virtual machines. So these two virtual machines are slave in the distributed execution, and the execution started from the master controller machine, and currently there are three people joined in the call as the execution is already progressing. So one is from the master machine, and the two have joined each from one virtual machine. As the execution starts, it will use the fake webcam drivers, both audio and video drivers. So the fake webcam audio video drivers are started before the distributed execution, so that as the conference starts, they will automatically capture the audio and video drivers of the fake webcam. So as the text execution is progressing, we can see there are different UI actions happening, and also there is a execution small icon at the top right corner, which is indicating the tool has taken the control and it is doing the execution. As the test progress, the UI actions are being performed on the screen, on the Hangout screen, basically to calculate the response time of different UI actions. So the time taken to load the different windows, the response time for the different UI actions. For example, the time it is taking to load the chart window, and time it is taking to load the screen share window, and the time response time for muting and unmuting the audio and video controllers on the UI screen. Like this, we can apply this logic for any type of operations that are being performed on the Hangout screen to calculate the response time of those UI actions. So as you see, the execution is being going on in both the virtual machines, and there are three people currently in the Google Hangout call. Yeah, once the execution is completed, the results are automatically generated in an Excel file, and like this, we have the different set of the APIs to store the results into the DB, and generate a nice report out of that. But for this demo, we are directly generating in a sample Excel file, and you can see the four scenarios captured there. That's the end of the demo. Thanks for watching.